Previously on Alan Wake, Alice has been kidnapped.
I want that dog found safe and sound. He better be alive or I'll rip your balls off!
I can't tell anyone except my agent Barry.
Damn it, Barry, they'll kill her.
I make you laugh. I'm here to fucking amuse you.
The ransom is a manuscript I supposedly wrote that's coming true before my eyes.
It happened just the way it was on that page.
Save Max!
I have found only a few scattered pages.
I want that dog alive!
Manuscript. The deadline is in 2 days.
I found Mr. Wake's pages.
Good girl.
Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking and welcome back to Alan Wake. Things are a little weird right now. Our wife Alice is still missing. We think she's been kidnapped. We met up with the kidnapper. He's wanting us to complete some kind of manuscript, but we can't because we can't write right now because we kind of suck at the moment, even though we're a best-selling writer. We got our buddy Barry, our manager Barry, is on the case with us as well. He's not been too much of help so far. We've had to save him more times than he saved us, but you know, he's still a good guy. But good news, Rose called and she's got the rest of the pages of the manuscript, but she's acting a little bit weird. So we're gonna have to see what's going on with her. We got a lot of questions to answer, so let's get to answering them. Let's go.
How the hell did she get her hands on the manuscript anyway?
That's what I'd like to know.
Resourceful. I told you you were too hard on her. Listen, I found out all sorts of interesting stuff while I was digging around.
Wait, you were digging around? You were doing something in that cabin other than being afraid of birds.
Here, Agent Nightingale.
FBI.
Nightingale.
He's anxious to see you. You'd better come to the station.
Okay, I'll be right over, Sheriff.
Right after we get through rummaging around in our trailer park.
Help you folks?
Oh, what's
Name's
up?
Randolph.
What's up,
I'm
Randy?
the manager.
We're looking for Rose. Works as a waitress down at the diner.
Rose, sure. Nice girl. Who wants to know?
I'm Alan Wake.
I'm best-selling writer Alan
I
Wake.
heard on the radio you were visiting. Well, I'll show you her trailer.
All right.
That Rose, she's a nice girl. Always pays her rent on time.
As I was saying, Al, I found all
What?
sorts of weird stuff from the local newspaper's archives.
Why does this guy look like he's from GTA?
Crazy. Disappearances, mysterious deaths, urban legends come true,
Okay.
and get this.
What's that?
Most of this stuff takes place around Cauldron Lake.
Okay.
Well, you ain't wrong, mister. The Indians thought the lake was a doorway to the underworld.
Checkpoint
I'm a
reached.
God-fearing
Okay. We
type
didn't do anything to
myself.
get a
I don't
checkpoint.
hold with that sort of thing.
Good,
Yeah,
good man. Good
okay.
man.
Anyway, there was an
Barry.
island there owned by a guy called Thomas Zane. Now,
All
some
right.
of the articles I found about him make him out to be a famous writer, but I ran a bunch of searches.
That sounds familiar.
Couldn't find a single thing he wrote.
So he wasn't
Zane
as good
was
as me. Got
heavily
it.
into diving, so much so that the place came to be called Diver's Isle. But
Okay.
the volcano under the lake erupted in 1970, and Zane went down with the island.
Damn.
Yeah, how about that? It was there in the morning,
Focusing?
as if it had fallen from the sky. But it would take a tornado to lift something like that.
Oh,
We're damn lucky
interesting.
it
Okay.
didn't crush any of the trailers.
We just stopped in the middle of
Come
our.
on, mister. I'll take you to Rose's trailer.
We just stopped in the middle of our Thomas Zane conversation to talk about a boat that apparently fell out of midair. Hello, where did I go? Okay. All right, let's go. Lead on. Randy's Dogs. Is this your hot dog station? Why does it sound like somebody's hammering? Hello, hammer? Who's hammering? I'll be right back. I need to investigate something.
It gets better. A local
Okay.
girl, Barbara Jagger, drowned in Cauldron
I'm just gonna ignore
Lake
the fact that
just
somebody's-
a week earlier. They were lovers.
Sure,
Ooh.
Jagger's a local spook story. The Scratching Hag comes for you in the dark. Childish stuff like that.
Anyway,
Okay.
Al. I'm just
Yes,
getting to the best part.
Barry.
All of the articles about this stuff were written by Cynthia Weaver.
All right.
I asked around, and she's that crazy bag lady you met.
What, the lamp lady? She can be a little
Lamp
loopy,
lady?
but she's not.
I don't
almost-
know. A lamp
Yeah,
lady sounds
anyway,
like she would come in
she knew
pretty
both
handy
Jagger
right
and
now.
Zane before they both died, and she had some kind of a breakdown.
Is this where Rose lives? In a garbage can? Oh, we're just scaring away the birds. You know what? I can understand that. The birds around here are freaking insane, dude. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to just bump right into you like that. Barry, where'd you go? Okay. So, what's up with the leg? Did you get injured in Nam or something? Are you old enough to
Well,
have been in
mister,
Nam?
this here's Rose's trailer. You mind me asking what you want with her?
We're just here to talk
We
to
know
her
what
about
Barry wants with her. We know what Barry wants with her. He wants to pluck Rose's petals. I'm not sorry. Alright, alright. Hello? Rose? Oh. That's some heavy-ass football. Hi.
Oh dear. Mr.
Oh dear?
Wake.
Yep.
I'm so glad you're here.
Me too.
Rose, you have my manuscript?
Oh. Oh yes. Yes. Please, come in.
Alright, you're not acting weird at all.
Hey, this is really good.
Rose,
Yes,
my manuscript. I really need it.
I understand. I know what you need. A muse to inspire you.
Oh, for Barry? She doesn't have anything.
Yeah, hey, Al, what's... Oh...
Uh-oh.
Barry!
Uh-oh.
What?
Oh, she done drugged us. She done drugged us. The bitch. Look, I was perfectly happy with you being my muse until you drugged me. It's not gonna work anymore. So,
It's coming for you.
okay.
Hiding in my barber's skin.
Who's Barbara?
I'm too weak to stop it. You must turn the lights on.
I promised I'd come visit you and your lovely wife. You must finish what you started.
Look, weirdo. No.
Insist.
You must turn the lights on.
Okay.
Turn the light on.
I don't have a light to turn on.
Back to work, boy.
Was that all a nightmare? Are we insane? What the hell's going on? Got a boo-boo on my head. Barry!
I felt nauseous, hungover. Only anger kept me going.
Oh, hello!
I can't tell reality from dream anymore, but it seems I have an imaginary editor to help me. She's an old woman in a funeral dress. I call her Barbara Jagger. She's
Oh, that's
very strict.
Barbara, okay.
I'm writing faster and faster. My manuscript is being
So was that
heavily
Thomas
revised.
Jane?
The
Thomas
edits are
Zane.
getting very
Was that Thomas
aggressive.
Zane?
Each day there's less of me and more
Talking
of her.
to us in the
I
dream?
hate it, but I know she's right. She promises me I can save Alice this way. She knows more of this than I do. About the complex incantation I'm attempting. About this place. She's worked with another writer under similar circumstances, Thomas Zane. The genre of the story seems to be shifting. It's turning into a horror story.
What was it
I'm getting
before?
close. I can feel it.
I didn't realize we were in anything else other than a horror story. Oh, okay. Alright. That's nice. So she's a bit of a fan. Barry! Oh, there
Rose
he
took
is.
a day from
Barry,
me.
you useless
I had
prick.
less than 12 hours left to meet the kidnapper. All I could do was get
Wake
Barry
up.
into the car, work something out once I got on the road. Barry was out of it. He was
Yeah.
way too heavy to carry.
Yeah. And he snores. That's nice.
Right.
What?
I deserve more money. I'm so handsome.
Welcome to the Oh Dear Diner.
I didn't know you were
What can I
there!
get you today? Coffee?
I couldn't work up much hate for Rose. Something had used her to get to me and left its mark.
First refill.
Was she there a
is
second
free.
ago?
Milk and sugar on the counter there. Would you like to hear today's specials?
Sure.
Thank you.
Okay.
A nice day.
It's not...
Come back soon.
I doubt it. The service here has not been very good. I mean, I was poisoned. So... Okay, so I guess we're just gonna leave those two lovebirds here for now. Well...
My
oh,
gun and
manuscript.
flashlight were gone. I'd have to find a way to get Barry into the car as quickly as possible. There was no time to waste.
Alright, so how do we get the barrister? How do we get lover boy here into the car? Okay, let's just say and get to the car right now. So, alright, that's fine. I don't have a flashlight or a gun, so there's that. Wheelbarrow. Can I push him in a wheelbarrow? What's we got?
I just stepped outside to catch a breath of fresh air. Let me tell you, the weather's getting heavy. Nights like this make me especially glad I'm here talking to you and not home in bed. Once the weather takes a turn like this, I can't sleep at all. It's all tangled bed sheets and dark thoughts, punctuated by the occasional plunge into nightmare. Is it just me?
Yep.
Well, perhaps it is. But I hope I can make the night a little bit easier to get through. Caller, you're on KBF FM.
Hey, Pat, it's Walt Snyder.
What's on your mind, Walt?
Well, I am the way you are, but, well, I can't sleep either, you know? I just been staring out the window here, trying to make sense of it all, but, I ain't been drinking either, you know? I just...
Well, you sound like a man with a problem, Walt.
Yeah. I had a, argument with Danny. You know Danny, and, then I got in trouble with the law.
Wait a minute.
You know, and,
this is the aliens guy.
Well,
I heard something like that, Walt.
yeah. Well, you know, he's, Danny's my best friend, and, they let me out on bail today. And now I'm just alone here at the window, you know, waiting. Man, and there's something in the air tonight, man.
I'm pretty sure this is the space aliens
Just
guy.
outside looking up at the sky above our broadcast tower, thinking the same thing. What are you waiting for, Walt?
I don't know. You know, something's gonna happen. You know, I think I better go.
Well, Walt, maybe...
No, thanks, Pat.
Well, good luck to you, Walt. Hang in there. Let's take a little break, folks. This weather's really something else, huh?
No, DMCA, blah, 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 DMCA, blah, 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 blah. Okay, blah, 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 DMCA, blah, blah. Where are we going? Okay, around this way. Blah, 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 DMCA, blah, 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 da, 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 don't copyright strike me, please, blah, 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 blah. Please don't copyright strike me, don't copyright strike me, blah, 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 please. I don't want to have to mute entire sections of my video, please, thank you. Blah, blah, da, 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 dee ba do bo, hobba dee bo bo, that's a falling boat right there, hobba dee do dee. Okay, I think we're in the clear now. Hope you enjoyed this musical interlude from Captain. Found the party house again. Okay. Oh, okay. Excuse me, Stump. Hi! Over there. Don't mind me. Just perusing around your very nice trailer park here. Did I hear paint? Baby? Baby? Who's looking after that baby? Somebody look after that baby. That ain't my baby. Not my baby, not my jaw.
Oh, you're gonna get it now.
Why? What did I do?
God knows what you've done to that poor girl.
I didn't do shit.
Nightingale, FBI! Get him up, Hemingway! You're under arrest! You move a muscle, I'll unload right in your goddamn face! Stay right where you are, Slane!
We're being a bit aggressive? Oh, okay. We're Neo. Woo!
What are? I'm standing right here, you goddamn maniac!
I felt like that was a bit aggressive.
I hated to leave Barry behind, but there was no way I'd miss my appointment with the kidnapper.
Give it up, Mr. Wake. Come
No,
on.
we're good.
Take it easy, Ash.
Oh God.
Don't let him get away. Move it.
We're just gonna run. Just gonna run. I'm not sure what your problem is, dude. I didn't do anything. I didn't do nothing. I was the one that was drugged. No, don't move out. Go away. Good, right? We're good, right?
There he is!
No, he's not. Oh, God.
There he goes!
There he is! There he goes! Oh, God.
Keep your eyes peeled. He's
Oh, God.
trying to make it through here.
It's bob and weave. Bob and weave.
Oh, damn.
Bob and weave. Oh, God.
Fan out!
No, no, don't fan out. Oh, God. Leave him alone.
God damn it! Where did he go?
You guys suck!
God damn it! Where did he go?
You're even worse at hitting your shots than the kidnapper. Hello? Ah, okay, there we go. Just had to hit it at the right angle. It's fine. Why am I being chased by the cops? I have no idea what I did. I feel like this is not correct police procedure. Aren't you supposed to tell me what I'm being arrested for? Or at least give me a chance to surrender before you shoot at me.
We need to head him off.
There you go, manuscript. What? Oh, God. No, I don't have a flashlight or a gun. Come on. I have neither flashlight nor gun. Oh, crap. Oh, what is happening? Oh, what is happening? Oh, my God. Officer, are you okay? Can I get up here? Hello? That's a...
Come in, Agent Nightingale. This is
Not going that way. There's a manuscript. Just gonna grab that right quick. Sorry, Mr. Tree. I probably should have stuck around and listened to that radio message, but you know, it's alright.
I'm a federal agent pursuing a fugitive. You want to discuss my message, Sheriff? Make an appointment. Over.
You stay right where you are, Agent
Get him,
Nightingale.
Sheriff.
I'm on my way. Out.
Get him, Sheriff. He shot at me for no reason. I was not aggressive, and he just shot at me. Maybe I'm not armed. Somebody took my gun. Yay, light. We like light. Drop hazard. Desk flare. No, don't move out. Stay where you are.
Search the area.
No, don't search the area. I'm not there anymore. Oh, God. Did I just hear that the light behind me breaking? I have neither light nor gun. Leave me alone. Oh, God, shoot it. Shoot what? Oh, no. Oh, no. Rest in pepperonis.
This horror was everywhere I went, circling me. The cops didn't stand a chance. They were after a writer, not a monster.
That's inconvenient. Oh, God. I still don't know why I'm being chased by police. I did nothing to these people.
I've lost contact with most of the men you assigned to me. It's Wake's doing.
Wait, are you seriously telling me that geek writer just took out my deputies?
I'm not a geek.
I mean, have you seen this guy? He wears a tweed jacket. Over.
He's the guy.
Excuse you?
If it's not him, who then? Bigfoot? Over.
I don't know yet, but I'm not in the habit of jumping to conclusions. That tends to come back and bite you in the ass. Out.
People are being awful judgmental about my clothes. What's wrong with tweed? I'll be honest, I don't know if I've ever actually worn tweed, but I don't know. Be less judgmental. Hello, Chopper. Help me! Unless you're the police, then fuck off. Barry, is that you? Hi. Oh, thank you.
You on the ground.
Oh, God.
Right there.
Ah!
There's no
Oh, God. Oh, ow. Okay. Get him, birds. Get him, birds. Save me. Oh, God. Right. You shouldn't have shot at me. That's no, little to the left. Little to the left. You're fine. No, you got it. You got it. I believe. Oh, damn. Ooh, rip. That sounded like it probably hurt. That's an open gate. I kind of want to see what's up here, though. Excuse me, barrel. Big ol' rip. Can I use this? Ooh, okay. I don't think anybody survived that. Don't think anyone survived that. Thing out here? Hello? Hello? Oh, wait. There's another thing here. There's a tower in the distance. Well, not sure if that's tower's what I'm supposed to be looking at.
I can see the lights at the radio station in the distance.
Oh, okay. Is that where I'm supposed to be going? I'm gonna go to the radio station, clear my name. Whoop. All right. Anything else in here that I need to worry about? There's a thing there. Hello.
This is James. Mulligan, Thornton, come in. Over.
Thornton here. James, we got both Wheeler and Rose in custody. They didn't put up a fight or anything.
Well, they were drugged.
Hey, what you...
Well, Barry was.
Sit down and give me that. James, Mulligan here. Over. Go ahead, Mulligan. Over. We got Wheeler and Rose here. Wheeler's drunk or hopped up on something. Speaking of which, that Fed had a pretty distinctive whiff of Otis Scotch about him, you know what I mean. Over. I don't have anything on that, Deputy Mulligan. Over. Well, whatever. Anyway, Rose is just being plain weird here. You better get Doc in to take a look at both. Over. Gotcha. You better get them here quickly. The Fed's gonna want to interview Wheeler. Over.
The Fed's an ass.
Oh yeah, I bet he does. Looks like they have a lot in common. Mulligan
Oh my God, is anybody here not a judgmental prick? Seriously. We're not drunk. We were drugged by Rose, who was, I don't know yet. She was something. Something was wrong with her.
I imagine that the broadcast tower in the distance was part of the local radio station.
Oh, focus. I need to
Maine
focus.
seemed like a decent
I didn't
guy.
focus quick enough.
Perhaps he could give me directions to the coal mine.
Oh, okay.
Unnatural shadows clung to the gate. The darkness that was after me was trying to stop me. I wouldn't get through it.
Alright, so I'm guessing I need to get a light from Summers. Oh, that's a light. That'll work. Let's see what's over here. Anything of import here? Oh, is this a generator? It is. Nice. Yay! Generator. This does not seem safe. This does not seem safe in the slightest. Hello? There's trees. Alright.
The old generator conked out. I'd have to see if I could fix it and try again.
Oh, okay, I see. This is a timed thing. Alright. That's fine.
This is Sparta!
Bam! Alright, let's go. Quick. Let's go. Good job, light. The old light did its job. It was a good light. Fantastic light. It was a pretty light. It was a damn good light. Reached checkpoint. Yay. Still don't have a flashlight or a gun. Not very comfortable with this, but that's fine. That's fine. Okay. It's alright. Hey! Flashlight. Let's go. It would be nice if I could find a gun, too. Let's go. Tires? Random tires? Oh, never mind. Tires were not so random. Okay.
It took me a moment to recognize the flashbang grenades. They were an ideal weapon for my situation.
Team 1, come in. Over.
Team
1, this is Sheriff Breaker. Report. Over.
Team 1's gone. I hate to tell you.
2, come in. I need a report. Over.
Okay, this is apparently... okay. Oh, okay. Well, that's useful. That's very useful. Okie dokie. Get flashbang! Gotta go, 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 gotta go. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Flashbangs. Tell me something, Pat.
And here's another call. You're on KBF-FM with Pat Maine.
Good job.
Peabody, Pat.
What's on your mind, Milt?
Well, I live near the trailer park, Pat, and there's a big ruckus going on over there.
Well, that's just up the road from me, too. What's going on, do you know?
I don't know, but there's a bunch of police cars there, lots of sirens, a helicopter buzzing around, and I think I heard some gunshots.
Yeah, those gunshots were aimed at me.
Yes, sir, like from a pistol. So can you find out what's going on? Because it's just next door, and they're popping off guns there.
They're still shooting?
No, it was maybe 10-15 minutes ago. It sounds serious, Pat. I'm telling you, it don't sound like no party.
I'm certainly going to give the station a call, Milt.
Okay.
You'll hear
Okay.
it here as soon as I hear from them.
Okay, thanks.
I don't even know if I'm supposed to be going this way, but everything's about to attack me. Oh God, I should probably leave now. Oh hi, please don't hurt me. I'm a rider, I'm not a fighter. Alright, it was a mistake. I fully acknowledge coming this way was a mistake. We're gonna go back and we're gonna follow the trail. Don't want to get copyrighted. Oh, okay. Get fuked! Oh God. Ow. Ow. Go away. Thank you. Fuck off now. I'm hurt. I'm hurting. Ow. I got an owie. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Good flashbang. I don't even know if I'm going the right way. Paint? There's paint. Where the paint? Hello? Ah! Get flashbang. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. We're not happy. We're not happy. We're almost there. Almost there. Get flashbang. It's okay. Cardio. 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 Something's behind us. Maybe not. Oh, okay. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. Everybody calm down. It's alright, Alan. You can take a rest, man. Oh, hi. Get fuked. I kind of want to go back. We saw paint, but I don't have a weapon, and I think I'm out of flashbangs. I am out of flashbangs. I literally have no way to defend myself right now. Hello? Alright, that was okay.
I hope Maine could lend me a car to get to the coal mine.
Hi, Pat!
It's Lorna Miles.
Oh, why, hello, Lorna. What do you have for us?
Well, I just don't see why the cops bothered with the treatment.
Oh, that's a light. We like light. Light's good. Pat! If I got a story for you, my man.
Helping us normal citizens instead of wasting resources on those people.
Well,
Those people?
You'll have to try to sort themselves out. I'm sorry, but my granddaddy settled in Bright Falls in 1911.
well, thank you very much for that,
Wow.
passionate viewpoint, Lorna.
Hi, Pat.
Oh, here's a little surprise. The famous writer Alan Wake.
That's me.
And folks, I'm going to see if I can talk him into an interview.
Come on in, Mr. Wake.
Who opened that? Hi.
Oh, I'm so glad you could find the time to do this, Mr. Wake.
Nowhere to run now, Dan Brown. You back away from me. Don't hurt it.
Whoa. Everyone calm down. Put the gun down. We're all friends here, right?
Cool your jets, Nightingale. We got him.
Judas Priest!
What the hell's the matter with you? There's a civilian in there.
Really not liking this guy. But what about my interview? I wanted to do an interview. Okay. This guy can't run more than 5 feet without getting out of breath, but he can do that bullshit. Okay. I see you. I see you, game.
If it kills me, you hear me? You hear me, H.P. Lovecraft?
How many different writers are you gonna call me, dude?
That's what you get for naming a
Good
book
grief.
Sudden Stop. It was probably good I hadn't had the chance to tell Maine where I was going.
Really
I'd have to lose
don't
the cops
like
and find
you.
my own way to the mine.
Really don't like you. Alright. Alright. Oh, humph. Excuse me? Dog? Hello? Max? Max? Max, is that you? Oh. Alright, Max. Help's coming. Eventually. Choo-choo train! No, that's not a train. What is it? Is that a train? That's a train. Choo-choo train. That's a manuscript. Max! Quack. I hear paint. Oh crap. No. No, 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 no. Flare! Oh god. Go away. Yay, yay, yay. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Leave me alone! Generator. Generator, 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 generator. Yep! Oh my god! Holy shit! A bit. Nope. 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 I'm in the light. Let's go. Oh god. What the fuck? Oh, that's not good. Alright. Alright, we're gonna be smart. We're gonna go high. Okay. Can I learn to aim my flashlight? Alright. Just go. Just go. Just go. Another generator! Please be supplies! Oh my god. Alan.
There was no sensible reason for the power company work lights to be here. It was almost as if they'd been left for someone like me to use.
Oh my god. Does the darkness controls taken? Hello? a good shotgun. Oh, hi there. Oh, hi there. You know what? Go away. Oh god. Ow! Oh crap. No, thank you. Excuse me. No, excuse me. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Definitely gonna die. My spine.
2 hours later.
This is some bullshit. No. Alright, let's get our stamina back. Because Alan can't run for shit. Excuse you, sir. Hello, can you turn that on? Thank you. Nice. Oh my god, the dodge mechanic in this sucks! Grief. Well, that was horrible and took for fucking ever. Ah, fuck. Have I not been through enough? Cause you had a bad day. People trying to kill you. Gotta get the manuscript. DMCA. Train! Let me on board. Please! Yes, yes, yes. Give. Hello?
Hello?
The most stubborn man I've ever met.
Alice? Alice?
Alice?
Alan, I'm so afraid. He keeps me in the dark. Please help me. I look at you, Alan, and it's not you. It's something else. Looking out from behind your eyes.
Alice, I'm here.
I'm so alone here. It's all gonna go to hell. You need to be careful. Cooperate.
Okay.
The connection had been terrible.
I wasn't
but
cryptic
that
as
wasn't
hell.
the only thing that hadn't been right with the call. She sounded wrong somehow, but she had called me.
Yeah. Little sus. Definitely a little sus. Hello? Shaky, shaky. Give. Random breathing? Hello?
I could see a railway bridge up ahead, and
Okay.
a warehouse of some sort on the opposite shore. I hoped I could find a car from there.
Alright, so what's this way? Okay, we got paint. We like paint. Paint usually leads to good things. Please don't be an ambush. I don't like bushes of Yay. Look at all the things. Look at all the lovely, lovely things. Give. Give to me. Thank you. Ah, bored. I knew it. I knew it was all too good to be true. It was an ambush. Reload, please. Please. That's what you get for bushing my am. Doesn't have to make sense. I'm cute. All right. Excuse me. I'm actually not. That's a lie. But okay, bridge. Focus. Checkpoint reached. Climb up the ladder. Breathing? This doesn't look safe. Hello? Oh. Hi, bridge. My train. Ah, this is not... Oh, okay. Unnecessary.
The darkness that was pursuing me was growing stronger, and it was taking over everything in its path.
Not necessary. Not necessary. Oh, shit! Oh, God. Oh, what is happening? Leave me alone! Oh, God. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, God. Oh, God. Whoop-a-doop. Are we good? Are we good? Everything fine? Are we dead? Where am I going? Go this way. Get me off this freaking bridge. Hello? Oh, okay. Ow! Ow! I'm leaving. Okie dokie. Everything's fine. Everybody calm down. Boop.
As a teenager, just starting to get interested in writing, Stephen King had been a source of inspiration to me. I thought about all the inanimate objects that had come to life in his books. No one is safe in a good horror story. Certainly not the protagonist. That's what makes them fun. This was anything but. The darkness could possess anything, and it was getting closer.
It's getting closer. Oh. This, looks interesting. Give. Hello? This place does not feel safe. Use. Oh! Okay! I did not know, thank you. Ow. Okay.
That had come to life in his books. No one is safe in a good horror story. Certainly not the protagonist. That's what makes them fun. This was anything but.
Ooh, heavy duty
the darkness
flashlight.
could possess anything, and it was getting closer.
Give. I have a heavy duty flashlight now. Also, I said duty. Give. Push. Oh, okay. Oh, red barrel. Shoot the red barrel. Ah! Gotta love a good set of red barrels. I would like to not be out there. Thank you very much. Oh god. Ah! I got an owie. My owie has an owie. I've got all the owies. We're fine in here, right? We're fine. In the light, you can hurt them. I know that. I have a heavy-duty flashlight and I know how to use it. Alright. Alright. Looks like where we gotta go. And we will do it on the next episode because we are out of time for this video. I hope you are enjoying our playthrough of Alan Wake still. If you are, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment or two, and as always, I will see you on the next flight. Peace out, everyone. Have a great rest of your life. Captain's orders.